Hey guys, it's Jesse here, back again with Outdoor Adventures. Just thought I'd get the vlog camera fired up again. Been a pretty good week. My son's back from Gulf Shores of Alabama from his spring break. Little man had a good time with his family, his brothers and sisters. It's been a nice week. I had a time to get to Fern Branch Falls. Turned out to be a nice little hike. The weather held off pretty good. Hope you guys checked out that video. If not, hit the page up and be sure to check out Fern Branch Falls. Heading to work. It's day 2 of my 4-day long weekend, which sucks, but that's okay. Yeah, me and Connor got another journey planned Friday night. We're going to the Ijams Nature Center for a night hike. Should be pretty fun. We're gonna tour the grounds there, check out all the cool nightlife, wild creatures going on. Should be fun. It's a kid-friendly event, which I love. All the kids checking out the frogs and whatnot, and bugs and everything. They say there's even, you can even hear wolves out there howling. But it should be a pretty good event. We'll cover it and try and get as many pictures as we can. And of course, I'm sure Connor will have some silly antics to go along with it. Wouldn't know what to do without him. So stay tuned. I hope everybody's enjoying the vlogs and our adventures that we've been posting. Please give us some ideas. Give us a comment. What you guys like to see, what you'd like to see. Do you like more pictures? That's one thing I've been rolling over. If the commentary bores you, let me know. It's all good. It won't hurt my feelings. If you'd rather see more pictures in a more cinematic way, storytelling, let me know. Me and Connor would love to hear your comments, and we'll try and do our best to get what you guys like. Appreciate y'all stopping by. I'm gonna grab me something to eat before I get into work. You guys have a blessed Tuesday, and we'll see you Friday. Try to have something posted maybe Friday night, Saturday late night. So stay tuned, stay with us, like and subscribe please. Don't forget to share, and we'll see you on the next go. Don't forget, get outdoors.